Hello everybody and welcome to Storming Coasters. This is the third day that I will be building Taron from Phantasialand out of NEX. Right now I'm working on the last part of the first turnaround after the launch. It's going pretty well right now, as the trains aren't valleying and the track is pretty smooth. Currently, I'm working on the tube supports for an airtime hill right above the lawn. Now I am building the spinal tubes for the turnaround right after the airtime hill, which will lead into another airtime hill, once again above the launch. Building the supports for this part was extremely easy, as it was extremely low to the ground and all I had to do was put like 3 pieces for each support. Right after the turnaround, like I said, there will be a airtime hill right above the launch. Right now I'm working on the transition into the airtime hill, and I'm trying to get it to stop banking to the left so that right after the airtime hill, it will be able to bank to the right. That is going to wrap up today's video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below what you liked about the video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.